Have you ever thought about how everyday moments can be a source of spiritual practice? Imagine cultivating a garden not just for food, but for mindfulness and growth. Let's explore each step of the Eightfold Path through gardening. Right View invites you to see reality clearly, without judgment. In my garden, some plants thrive while others struggle. I accept nature's cycles and embrace change with compassion. With right intention, I ask myself why I plant each seed. It's about growing food for others or creating beauty. Gardening becomes a mindful practice of caring for myself, others, and the planet. Right speech is crucial too. Speaking gently to my plants reminds me to be kind to myself. When I water them, I express gratitude, which transforms my inner dialogue. Right action encourages ethical choices. I've learned to compost, avoid harmful chemicals, and treat my garden, not as a possession, but as a space for stewardship. Each choice supports nature and community. Right livelihood reminds us to find meaning in what we do. Gardening might not be my job, but it provides value. Every herb or flower I tend to contributes to well-being and can be life-affirming. Through right effort, I've learned that persistence doesn't mean force. Initially, I tried to control everything, but I now nurture its natural rhythm. I bring joy to the work while letting go of the outcomes. Right mindfulness is about being fully present. In the garden, I take time to observe the soil, sun, and plants. These moments ground me, allowing me to escape from daily distractions. Lastly, right concentration helps us find flow. When I'm weeding or pruning, time fades away. Those moments remind me that spiritual practice can happen right where we are. The Eightfold Path is a valuable guide towards living mindfully. For me, the garden makes these teachings tangible. It's a place to practice, learn, and continually grow. Every season brings a new opportunity to begin again. I encourage you to join me. Whether you have a garden or a single pot, let it become your teacher. Experience what's possible when you approach life, one breath and one blossom at a time.